Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the account that pays for ads. Open Campaign Manager and go straight to billing and payments. Once there, make sure you're listed as an admin. Only admins can remove payment methods. If another user controls billing, request admin rights now. Check the billing profile shown at the top. It determines which card is attached to this ad account. While you're here, note any pending invoices or active campaigns because those affect whether you can remove the credit card. Once you've confirmed admin access and no billing blockers, open payment methods and find the specific credit card entry. Click Remove or Delete. LinkedIn may prompt you to confirm by re-entering your password, so have that ready. If the Remove button is disabled, check for unpaid invoices or active campaigns. Those must be resolved first. If a balance exists, add an alternate payment method and pay the balance, or pause campaigns to free the account so the card can be removed cleanly. After removing the card, confirm the on-screen success message. LinkedIn often emails a confirmation. Save that for records. If the card remains attached, recheck for pending charges, scheduled invoices, or active subscriptions that lock the payment method. Make sure to clear balances or switch campaigns to manual stop. If problems persist, gather screenshots and contact LinkedIn support. Provide account ID and timestamps so they can trace the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.